DSG250-1 close crimping machine with fast tool. It's more efficient for change the molds. The side of the machine is specially designed to add mold holders to facilitate the access and replacement of the molds, and the machine operation is more convenient and efficient. The mold opening speed is fast, the weight is light, and the cost is reduced, and is not easy to be damaged, and reduces maintenance costs. The machine is equipped with a high box, which provides a wider space for the machine, making it easy to place machine parts and other necessary tools. Except, we can customize electric, color, pump and panels. Don't hesitate. Contact us.